beauties? It's your girl Essence and welcome back to my channel. I know I've been gone again for about a week and I did not upload at all last week, but there are reasons and I decided to come back strong with this video to just kind of update you guys, let you know what's going on so that you're aware. There are some changes that are going to be taking place here on my channel and I do want to talk to you guys about that today. So we're just going to be getting ready while I do my makeup. This is by no means a tutorial. I'm just literally going to be doing my makeup and updating you guys at the same time. I do hope you guys enjoy this video. So with that said, let's just jump right into it and get this makeup started because your girl has things to do after this. Okay, so first and foremost, let's talk about why I've been gone. There's multiple reasons too, really. The first reason being, my skin has gone through some crap and I'm kind of concerned because I don't necessarily know the root of the problem. Like, my skin was doing so well for so long and then all of a sudden it just started going crazy on me and breakouts galore and all that good stuff, so, or not so good stuff. So love that for me. And I definitely did not want to come on camera with my face the way that it was. Like, when I say I literally had, like, I don't know, a rash, allergic reaction, like, I'm not really sure. It could be one or two things. The first one is, or maybe three things, let me just say that. So I have the e.l.f. Putty Poreless Primer that I used one day. And on top of that, I put the new moisturizer that I got in my September Boxy Lux. And hold on, let me see if I can grab it. So it is the Tidal Brightening Enzyme Water Cream from Sunday Riley. This right here, if you guys remember, I did receive that in my Boxy Lux box. And I did use it for that video. And nothing happened to my skin or anything like that after the fact. I've also used the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer plenty of times and nothing has happened to my skin after the fact. So it could be the fact that those two things together didn't mix well. It could be one or the other. I don't really know. Sometimes when your face breaks out from products, it could be like a gradual thing. Sometimes it doesn't happen the first time around. Sometimes it happens the first time around. So I don't really know, or it could be the new environment in which I'm working, which leads me to the second thing that's kind of going on in my life is the fact that I am working overnight now. So I get super tired obviously during the day, which is typically when I would film. So I try to film on my off days and it's kind of draining because I have Thursday, Friday, Saturday off, but Saturdays is hard to film because there's too much going on in the house. Thursdays, it's like I'm trying to recover from my quote-unquote week of working. So it's just like a real battle right now and I'm just trying to balance it all out. I don't want to obviously stop making videos for you guys because I love doing this. Like, this is my passion. Like, I absolutely love putting on makeup for you guys, you know, creating looks, doing videos, like all of that. Like, I really love this stuff. But obviously the changes that are happening, aka me working overnight, is having an effect on all of this and it's bittersweet. And I've tried to record previous on my off days before my skin had this whole freak out and whatnot, but also me being away from the camera and not filming as much as I used to, I kind of lost my touch and I was just like, it wasn't pretty. Like, I could not upload any of that. I was thankful that my BoxyCharm video for October that I just released, which was the last video prior to this one, came out the way that it did because your girl looked like she didn't know what she was doing. So basically, I'm just trying to figure out a schedule that will work best for me to where I can still film and have videos up for you guys in like a timely manner. So a part of that is normally I would upload on Wednesdays and Sundays. I'm changing my upload schedule to now Wednesdays and Fridays at 5 p.m. my time, which I'll have the specifics and time zones and all that down in the description box down below because I don't know off the top of my head. But yes, so I'm changing my upload schedule, and the reason I'm doing that is because I feel like it'll be a little bit easier for me to make sure I'm filming in time to upload, and also not have to worry about missing days. So the reason why I chose not to upload on Sunday, or this coming Sunday would typically be an upload day for me, but I'm not going to be uploading then, which is why I say I've been gone another week. Not because I don't have a video ready for you guys, because obviously this one will be done, ready to go by then, but I wanted to start on again fresh on a Wednesday, which is a normal upload day for me, and kind of let you guys know, like, hey, expect a video on Friday. So life changes, things going on, me working now and stuff like that. I love my job, like I absolutely love it, but I also love this as well. So just trying to figure out a way to manage both things. That way I don't have to pick and choose one over the other, if that makes sense. So I don't necessarily, you know, have to be working, but obviously it's something that I want to do. So the camera cut off on me. Love that for me. But what I was trying to say was, you guys know, or it should be obvious, that I don't get paid off of YouTube. And obviously getting paid is not my motivation. Like, does it motivate me a little bit? Absolutely. I'd be lying if I said it didn't. But it's not enough motivation to where, like, it's stopping me now, if that makes sense. I have a lot of work to put in, and speaking of putting in work, like, there's a lot of changes that I'm trying to make for my channel, for like better quality and for the benefit of you guys. So just bear with me, you know, just bear with me. But most importantly, I just want you guys to know that I'm not giving up, I'm not stopping or anything like that. It's just I'm trying to figure out what the best thing to do is to manage everything that I have going on in life right now. Because it dried down just a little too much. This isn't like my NARS concealer or the Too Faced one, where it's kind of good to let it sit and get a little tacky on your skin, because then it blends out better, but not the Tarte Shape Tape. Like this dries down super fast. So reverting back to the skin, I did book an appointment with an esthetician, and I'll be going tomorrow for that appointment, which is another reason why I really wanted to sit down and film this one today, because I really don't want to put makeup on right after. I've never been to one before, and I really want to start taking care of my skin and all of that, because your girl is only getting older and I want good skin for a long time. So definitely booked an appointment with them, especially because of the whole breakout situation. Now I know that the best person to see, like with as far as like skin issues or things you're unsure about, is a dermatologist, which I'm also going to look into seeing one of those as well, like getting me a dermatologist that I can go to for my skin needs. But I also, you know, want to see an esthetician because I do want facials and stuff like that, which isn't harmful or anything like that. I mean, it's not gonna cure my acne or the breakouts that I'm having and stuff, obviously, but it's a start. So I do want to start taking care of my skin. Drinking water is super important. I know that you guys want to see a fall/winter skincare routine, and I'm not going to do that just yet because, again, I'm going through all of these issues, these problems, and I don't necessarily know what's going to work for my skin right now. Like my routine that I had before, like I'm still obviously doing that. So all the same products as before I'm still using now, but some of that is going to change, and once I get a routine down that's going to work for my skin right now in whatever phase it feels like it's in, then I will do a video kind of showing you guys those new products, if there are any new products that I'm using. So with that being said, I will not be releasing a fall/winter skincare routine until then. I also have some family things going on right now, you know, but my mom, but you know, I don't want to, first of all, I don't want to cry. Two, I don't want to get too personal and kind of like, I feel like that's her business you know, so I don't want to just like blast it out on there, or on here I should say, but I will just say that I have things that I'm dealing with as far as she goes, and you know, just trying to remain positive for the time being. But so far so good. I mean, I did get a phone call from her today, I will say, and although it wasn't like exactly what any of us were hoping for, it also wasn't terrible news. You know, I told myself yesterday, as I was like thinking about doing this video and everything, I was like, oh, I need to make a list, you know, that way I don't forget anything that I need to talk about. And of course, I didn't make a list. So now I forgot everything that I need to talk about. I'm pretty sure there's going to be something that I needed to address or talk about, and as I'm editing the video or when I'm finished or whatever, it'll probably come to mind. So for the majority of November, like my schedule is pretty set as far as like videos that I want to film and stuff like that. However, when it comes to December, because I like to like plan ahead, if that makes sense. Like I like to just gather all my thoughts and video ideas and stuff and just write them down, and then just pick randomly as to when I want to film that particular video, or maybe there's things that I need to purchase to actually film that video, things like that. So I'm really big into like planning and stuff. So I do have a few videos for this month for you guys already pre-planned, and I plan to get those videos done. But if there is anything in specific that you guys want to see, of course, leave them in the comments. I can honestly use as many of your guys' opinions and ideas as possible, because low-key, I'm not that I'm becoming uninspired, but I haven't been playing with makeup a lot, and there's so many new stuff on the market. It's just like insane. Like I don't even know how to choose at this point because there's so much stuff. So if there's anything new that has released, is gonna release, whatever that you guys want me to test out and try for you guys, then definitely leave that in the comment section down below. I don't even think I want to really do like an actual eyeshadow look, because honestly you guys, like I said, I'm literally just running a few errands that I need to run, and that's really it. So I'm not gonna do a full beat face. So I'm just gonna throw some bronzer in my crease and call it a day. This is like the most simplest thing you could do when you don't really know what to do. Just throw some bronzer in your crease. Also, I know I promised you guys a review on the Dose of Colors foundation and concealer, but to be honest, your girl hasn't ordered it yet. So I mean, I'm still planning to do that video for you guys. Hopefully I can get it up sometime this month, but just being honest, I have not ordered anything. Actually, I don't even remember the last time I actually bought makeup, to be honest. Like I said, it's just a lot of new products out right now, and it's a little bit overwhelming. And it's like, I don't know what you guys want to see. I don't even know for myself what I want, other than a few different things. But yeah, it's a lot. It is a lot. I haven't been wearing lashes lately to work or anything. Definitely no makeup to work. And that's another thing. Now that I think about it, the fact that I have not wore makeup in a while kind of makes me feel like that's why I'm breaking out. Like, because my face is, or my skin's so used to me putting makeup on. And maybe now that it's finally getting a chance to, I guess, quote unquote, breathe, it's, you know, the acne is just going a little crazy. That could be it. I don't really know, but I haven't been wearing makeup, and even though I didn't do anything crazy with the eyes, I really want to put lashes on because I miss my lashes. Although I have been putting on loads of mascara, and well, not loads, but mostly using the Tarte Big Ego one. This is just the mini one that I have here on my little desk, but obviously I do have the full size, and just coating my lashes with that, and then taking my lash curler once my mascara dries a little bit and actually curling them before and after putting on mascara has really been lifting your girl's lashes. I actually really like it. So I'm gonna do that real quick, and then we can come back and finish up the little bit that we have left for the face. So the lashes are on, and honestly all we have left to do is the lip for the most part. I honestly don't think there's anything else I need to tell you guys. If there is, you guys know I'll either insert a clip or I will update you guys in a future video. My lashes probably aren't on the best. It's been a minute, like I said, but I'll probably end up fixing them a little later. I did end up putting highlighter on. Nothing crazy, nothing heavy, nothing too extreme. It's a really simple look today, you guys, I'm telling you. Now I'm just gonna line my lips really quickly. This is the NYX lip liner that has that extremely long name. If you guys seen that video I did using this for the first time, you guys know what I'm talking about. I definitely want to pick up more shades of this. So this is pretty much it, you guys. I'm just gonna spray my face down really quickly. This is the Catrice Prime and Fine. I really have been loving this as well. Alright guys, so this is the finished and final makeup look. It's simple, but it's still cute. I didn't want to do, like I said, anything too glam or anything today. For my first video back, I kind of just wanted to kind of get in the routine of actually talking and filming and doing all of this so that we have no more mishaps moving forward. Well, that's really it for me, you guys. That's all I have for you. Now I'm gonna go get this nail fixed because it's broken. Oh, also, short nails now. I'm so sad because I love my long nails and now I had to go a little shorter. So, these babies will be small for a while. But anyways, let me go, stop talking, Essence, and get what I need to get done. I really do hope you guys enjoyed the video. Definitely make sure you subscribe before you leave if you're not already part of the family. And I will see you guys super soon in the next video or vlog, whichever one comes first.